Students, in this video, we will learn about the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when dielectric field is partially filled between the two plates of the parallel plate capacitor. Okay, look at this. This is the first plate and this is the second plate, and this is the arrangement of two conductors. Okay, so this is the parallel plate capacitor. Okay, and now the first plate of the parallel plate capacitor, this one, and the second, this one is the second plate of the parallel plate capacitor. Okay, now let firstly plus q charge is given to the first plate, then this q charge will be distributed uniformly over the first plate. So on the surface, on the inner surface of first plate also will be there positive charge. Okay, now this plate is very close to first plate, that's why by induction on the inner surface of second plate, here negative charge will be induced, and on the outer surface, positive charge will be induced. Okay, let this second plate is connected to the earth, then this plus charge on the second plate will be neutralized by the electrons coming from the earth. So here there will be no any charge. So this is the parallel plate capacitor now. Okay, now this is the positive plate and now this is a negative plate. So on the negative plate, let here plus q charge is there, and on the second plate or negative plate minus q charge is there. Then the surface charge density of the first plate will be plus sigma, and the surface charge density on the second plate will be minus sigma. Okay, here positive plate is there and here negative plate is there, that's why here electric field will be produced. Okay, and the direction of electric field will be positive plate to negative plate. So this will be the electric field. This is 0 E naught when between the plates there is no any dielectric material. In this condition, the electric field at any point inside the capacitor, it will be equal E naught equal sigma upon epsilon naught, where sigma is the surface charge density on each plate. Okay, now and here epsilon naught, this is the permittivity of air or vacuum. Okay, now so of this parallel plate capacitor, a capacitance should be there. So the capacitance of the parallel plate when no any dielectric material is kept between the two plates will be C naught equal epsilon naught A upon D, where D is the distance between two plates or the separation between two plates. Okay, this is the capacitance. Now let a dielectric slab is kept between the two plates of thickness small t, and the dielectric constant of this dielectric slab is, let this is equal to K. Okay, now by the polarization You know, the dielectric material is made of atoms, and atoms has two charge centers, positive charge centers and negative charge center. Okay, so this is in the influence of this electric field. Okay, so by the influence of this electric field, all the atoms will be polarized of this dielectric material. Okay, now all the atoms mean that this atom, so negative charge center will be attracted towards the positive plate, and positive charge center will be attracted towards the negative plate. Okay, for each atoms, negative charge center uh, attacks towards the positive plate, and positive charge center attacks towards negative plate. For all atoms, this process will be same, like that. Now this is positive charge center and this is negative charge center, and let this atom is very close to this atom, so this positive charge center will cancel the influence of this negative charge center. So inside and this positive charge center will cancel the influence of this negative charge center, and this positive charge center will cancel the influence of this negative charge center. Okay, now in this phase here, negative charge center, negative charge center, negative charge center remain, and on this phase, positive charge center, positive charge center, positive charge centers remain. Okay, so in this dielectric material, on this phase here, negative charge center remain, and here positive charge center remain of all atoms. Okay, so this phase of the dielectric material works as a negative plate of the battery, and this phase works as a positive plate of the battery. That's why here electric field will be generated, and this electric field is the induced electric field, or the electric field due to polarization of atoms of the dielectric materials. So this induced electric field, the direction of this induced electric field will be positive phase to negative phase, and the direction of this induced electric field is opposite to the direction of this electric field. This electric field is external electric field for this dielectric material. Okay, now in this dielectric material, the net electric field will be E, and it will be E naught minus EP, E naught minus EP inside the dielectric material. Okay, net electric field. Okay, this is E equal to E naught minus EP. Now the electric field inside the dielectric material will be E and equal to E naught upon K. From where? Since K equal E naught upon E. This is the relation between the electric field in vacuum or air and the electric field when dielectric material is kept. Okay, so this is the electric field, but this electric field is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Okay, so therefore E will be equal sigma upon K epsilon naught. Now, but sigma equal q upon a, surface charge density or charge per unit surface. That's why this E will be equal q upon k epsilon naught a, and E naught will be q upon epsilon naught a. Okay, this is the electric field. Now the potential difference between two plates we have to find. So what will be potential difference? This area is blank, so in this area air is there, and also in this area air is there. So the in these area air is there. Okay, and now that's why the electric field or the potential of these blank areas, of these blank places, will be V equal electric field of the blank places is E naught. Okay, and the distance or the distance will be into, what will be the distance or the blank of the blank area? What will be the distance? Distance will be, total distance is d, and the thickness of dielectric material is t. So the distance or the difference of blank places will be d minus t. Okay, this is the potential, and the potential difference between the two faces of the dielectric will be V2 equal E into T, because the electric or the electric field of this dielectric material is E, and T is the thickness of dielectric material, or the distance between two faces of the dielectric material. So this is the these are the potential. Now the net potential between plate first and plate second, what will be? It will be V equal V1 plus V2. So V1 E naught into D minus T and plus E into T. This is the potential. On putting the value of E naught and E, we get E naught means Q upon epsilon naught A, Q upon epsilon naught A into D minus T, and plus value of E is this or this. So Q will be upon K epsilon naught A into T. So on taking common Q upon epsilon naught A from both terms, so here Q epsilon naught common inside the bracket, here D minus T will be there, and plus T, and upon here K. Okay, this is the net potential between two plates of the parallel plate capacitor. So we have to find now the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So the capacitance, the formula is C equal Q upon V. C equal Q upon V. On putting the value of V, C will be equal Q upon value of V, Q upon epsilon naught A into D minus T plus T upon K, or C will be equal, Q will be cancelled, by Q. Then here epsilon naught and A upon D minus T and plus T upon K, or epsilon naught A D, we can take common minus T from both term, so minus T 1 minus 1 upon K. If we will multiply minus T inside the bracket, then minus and here plus, minus plus minus, and T into 1 T, and minus into minus plus T into 1 T upon K, we will get this value. Okay, so this is equal C. This is the formula of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when a dielectric material of thickness small t is placed between the two plates, okay, or the dielectric slab is kept between the two plates of the parallel plate capacitor, then the capacitance of the capacitor will be this equation. Okay, understood? Okay, thanks.